What's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy, what's up? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where experts and beginners are welcome. We're not professionals here. We just love gardening, and we're going to do what we want to do, how we want to do it. Okay? I love you. Thanks for being here. Today, I'm going to show you how to start your plants in the bucket. Very simple and easy. I made this video one time before, a couple days ago, and nothing recorded, but I got some great results. So I'm just going to show you an easy way. What we're going to do first is just mix up our soil. Now you can use a cocoa core brick, pour some warm water on this, and this will expand. But I already have some pre-made soil already mixed up. Okay, you guys? So we're going to take let me move the camera down. And if you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe, you guys. Share the video. You know, leave a comment. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the too middle. Okay. Click the bell. You'll get notifications every time I make a video. Also, hope you've seen the YouTube commercial. I love it. All right, you guys. So I'm just going to pour this soil into this container here. And I'm going to move some of this out of the way for right now, so I can get you right in there on the action. You know, I like to show you everything. Put this up there to prop it up. And now look at that. We made a display. Okay. So we got some pre-mixed soil in here. And what we're going to do is amend it. And all that means is mixing some good stuff in with maybe some not so good soil. This soil is perfectly fine, but it's older soil. It worked good for what I needed it for. So now I'm just going to amend it, adding some good. You know, we don't throw nothing away. We ain't got no money. Ain't nobody got no money, okay? So I'm going to put a bag of this Dollar Tree soil in there. You guys, I went to Dollar Tree. I just got off work as usual. It's my weekend to work. Happy Saturday. And I went into Dollar Tree just to see what they had in there. Shelves bare. I mean, literally bare. So I'm going to mix some of that in there. Some of our chicken compost. And this is just chicken poop. I ain't going to use the other word, y'all. Trying to be kid friendly. A little bit of chicken compost. A fancy word for chicken poop. And what we're doing, we're amending this soil because we're growing in a bucket. This is not going directly in Mother Nature's soil. So we have to mimic the ground as much as we possibly can by adding Mother Nature's ingredients. So this chicken compost, worm castings, also worm poop. You can use whatever kind you have, you guys. Whenever you get a couple bucks, always order you some gardening supplies. I know I do. And then when things happen or you just want to plant something, you got everything you need. So I'm going to put a little worm casting in here. And this just mimics, you know, the worms that are not going to be in this container that would be in our garden. And I just sprinkled a little bit over the top, you guys. So that's our worm castings. Then we're going to mix a little. This is soil and seed starting mix. And the reason I'm doing this is seed starting mix, since we're going to be putting transplanting our plants into this. Seed starting mix has a lot of extra nutrients to help your seeds get started. So by adding this to it, when we put our transplants in, it'll give them that boost as well. Okay. So let's just mix all this together like this. Get your hands down in there. Get your hands in there. Make sure I ain't forgetting none. Oh yeah, we're gonna use a little vermiculite. Where did I set the vermiculite? Which is gonna help with drainage and moisture. Did I leave it? I'll be right back. And I'm back. Sorry, you guys. I left it in the greenhouse. This is just some vermiculite. I need to order some more. And what this is those little white pebbles you see in the soil. Like that. See? Put a little bit of that in there. And that's going to help with drainage and also retaining moisture. And it makes the soil look nice too. To me. Okay, you guys. And pretty much, that's it. Now what I have in here is a little 511 fish fertilizer, diluted. I mean, really diluted. Just gonna pour a little bit in there. Ooh, it stinks so bad. Okay. And now, I'm gonna use the handle of this. I don't want to put my hands directly straight into the fish emulsion. All right, so everything is mixed up. Now, I used to be discouraged and didn't think I can grow in this because it takes so much soil. Okay. And I'm like, I ain't got no money for all that soil. Ain't nobody got no money. So what I've learned to cheat. And we're gonna recycle everything we have. These old bags, stick them down in there. And I already have drain holes in the side and the bottom. Stick these old bags down in there like that, y'all. And all you're doing is cheating, buying you some space. And they come up to about right there, see? And the moisture with the cracks and crevices in the plastic and the drainage holes, it'll still drain. This is just uplifting the soil some, so you don't have to use as much. Then, take your soil. I don't have my scooper, y'all, so I'm doing it with my Strongo. And you want to leave about 1 inch at the top, so when you go to water, you know, your soil won't be falling out. And then just give it a pressing, just like that. And that's your base, okay? Pressing like that. Then go back in with more soil, and that's gonna be your planting area. And there you go, you guys. We just made us a bed. I mean, a bucket garden. You know, you can grow this on your patio, your deck, your front porch, back porch, whatever you have. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our plant in. Now I have some pepper plants. These are some Cardinal Hybrid, I believe, or some Bell Sweet, one or the other. And we're gonna plant these in here. And I'm gonna put 2 in here. Just gently squeeze it out. Make you a hole, just like that, and sit her down in there like that. Cover it up, give it a pressing, make another hole, a second plant. And if these get way too big, we can always move them, but I think they'll be fine too. Maybe even can get 3 in here. Maybe I'll put a different variety. Yeah, what do you guys think? You know, maybe that'll look nice when they come up. So let's do one of our Chinese 5 color. Let's put that in there. One of them. Well, this one's stuck. It has 2 in there, so just gonna pop them on in there. Hey, what could it hurt, right? Put one on this side and one on this side. What could it hurt? We always can start again. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're washing your hands, keeping your hands away from your face, social distancing when you can. I know we're all missing our family and friends, you know, gatherings, having loved ones pass away, not just from corona, but other things, and not being able to go and support them and the family. You guys, it's really hard. Just lost a good friend. Shout out to Aaron Winston, rest your soul. And you know, he's like a brother to me, and not to be able to go and be there is really sad. It's really sad, you guys, but we're gonna get through this together. Okay, and there you have it. We just planted it in the bucket. Simple and easy, okay? And this is the one I did yesterday. And I made it on video, but it didn't take. And they've sprouted back up. They've taken to the soil quite well. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it. You're
the best.